difference of sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements of A that are not in B or which are not in B. The difference of A and B is denoted by A minus B. In set notation, it is set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. So if I say A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 3, 5, 6, then A minus B will be 1, 2, 4, set of all elements in A but not in B. Complement of a set. If A is a subset of the universal set X, then the complement of A with respect to X is defined as the set of all elements of X which are not in A and is denoted by A complement. So A complement is set of all X such that X belongs to capital X and X is not in A. Important results. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B if N of A intersection B is not a null set. And also it can be given as N of A minus B plus N of B minus A and plus of N of A intersection B. Also N of A union B is N of A plus N of B if the intersection is a null set. If we look at the three sets, N of A union B union C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus A intersection B and now B intersection C, N of C intersection A and plus N of A intersection B intersection C. If you want to represent in Venn diagram of two sets A and B, so this part will be A minus B, right side will be B minus A, in between will be A and B, which is represented. It's called Venn diagrams. To understand and illustrate the relationship among sets, we represent them pictorially by means of diagrams. The universal set U is represented by a rectangular region and each of the subsets closed bound spaces, normally circles. So, we are representing, supposing I have X and Y. Outside totally is X. This part is only X and this part is only Y, and in between X and Y followed as both. So we give an examples. In an examination, 60% passed in maths, 50% passed in English, and if 20% failed in both, find the percentage passed in both. Use Venn diagram to solve this. We are looking at the past candidates. You have maths here and English here. Maths is 60% right outside, English 50% outside. The both is a space intersection, call it as X. We are given 20% failed in both the examination. So, that means overall pass percentage is only 80. So if you look at the diagram, only maths is 60 minus x, only English is 50 minus x. So 60 minus x plus 50 minus x will add up to 80. So 110 minus x is equal to 80, or x is equal to 30%. Now we look into three variables. Let us take it as A, B and C. This place is only A, this is only B, this is only C. We have exactly A and B, exactly B and C, exactly C and A. You have all three. So you'll find there are 7 places. If you fill up these places, you can answer any kind of questions. Let us take an example. In a college of 10,000 students, it was found that 40% students opt for electronics, 20% students opt for communication, 10% students opt for computers, 5% students opt for both electronics and communication, 30% student opt for communication and computers, and 4% opt for electronics and computers. If 2% of the students opt for all the three, then the number of students who opt only for electronics is 3,100, 3,300, 2,900, 1,400. We can do this sum by drawing 3 circles. And marking one side as electronics, other circle for communication, The third one for computers. You can write the percentage below that. 40% for electronics, communication is 20%, and computers 10%. Let us first look into all three. 2% student opted for all three, so 2% you write in between. Then, when it says 5% of students opt for both electronic and communication, out of which 2 is gone, so remaining 3 you have to write where electronics and communication only. Then 30% communication and computers, 2% gone, so 28 you will write. Can't be 30%. This is a mistake, I think. It should be 3%, so let us write 1% here. And 4% electronics and computers, so the remaining 2% here. So you can try to fill up only electronics. So only electronics will be 7, so 33%. And 6 gone, 14% will be only communication. And 5 gone, 5% will be only. So we can write now only electronics will be 33%. So number of students opting for only electronics will be 33% of 10,000. That must be 3,300. In the sum you have to make a correction of students opting for communication and computer is only 3%, not 30. That sets it right. So from this we can answer any number of questions. If I say number of students opting for exactly 2 subjects will be 3 plus 1 plus 2. That will be 6% of 10,000. That will be 600. Number of students opting for only 1 subject will be 33 plus 14 plus 5. That will be 62% of 10,000, which will be 6,200. So we can say any number of questions can be asked during looking at the numbers in the diagram.
Given question is, if plus means divided by, minus means into means plus, divide by means minus, then what is the value of 24 plus 2 minus 3 divided by 4 into 6 plus 3 minus 9? Let us begin with the solution. Following the instructions given in the question, we'll get 24. Here plus means divide by 2, minus means into 3, divide by means minus 4, into means plus 6, plus means divide by 3, minus means into 9. This further equals, here division occupies the first preference. Therefore 6 divided by 3 will be 2. This will be 2. And 24 divided by 2 will be 12. Now we will write the rest of the numbers. 12 into 3 minus 4 plus 6. sorry, this is 2 into 9. This equals 12 into 3, that is 36. Here also we are applying the BODMAS rule. Minus 4 plus 2 into 9 is 18. This gives you 36 plus 18, which is 54 minus 4. This equals 50, which is choice A. In this question, an expression is given involving numbers and some alphabets. Here A denotes addition, S means subtraction, D means division, and M means multiplication. We have to apply those symbols to this expression and we have to simplify the same. Let us begin with the solution. This equals 24, A means addition plus 6, S means subtraction minus 20, M means multiplication into 25, D means division divided by 10, A means addition plus 50, M means multiplication into 1. This further equals, here we'll apply the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says that division should take the first preference. Therefore, 25 divided by 10. This equals 25 divided by 10 will be 2.5. This equals 24 plus 6 minus 20 into 2.5 plus 50 into 1. After division is performed, we'll go for multiplication. 20 into 2.5, that gives you 50, and 50 into 1, this also will give you 50. Therefore, this is 50 and this is also 50. And this total expression becomes 24 plus 6 minus 50 plus 50. Here minus 50 plus 50 gets cancelled. 24 plus 6 gives you 30. Here choices are given wrong. Let us take this 75 as, let this be 30. We are correcting this answer. Therefore, choice C is the answer. Given question says that if is equal to denotes less than symbol, into denotes greater than, minus denotes is equal to, the symbol denotes into, plus denotes divided by, less than denotes minus, greater than denotes plus, then we have to choose the correct statement among the given 4 choices. Consider choice A. Here 31 greater than means plus 1 less than means minus 2 is equal to means less than 4 greater than means plus 6. The symbol means into 7. We'll check whether this statement is true or false. This implies 31 plus 1 is 32 minus 2 less than 4 plus, here we are applying the BODMAS rule, 6 into 7 is 42. This implies 32 minus 2 is 30 less than 4 plus 42 is 46. This statement is true. Now, checking choice B. On changing the symbols given in the expression of choice B, we get this expression. This equals 18 plus 12 divided by 4 gives you 3 greater than 7 plus 8 into 2 is 16. This implies 18 plus 3, that is 21, greater than 16 plus 7, 23. This statement is false. Now checking choice C. On changing the symbols given in the expression of choice C, we get this expression. Therefore, 32 plus, on applying the BODMAS rule, will get 32 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, less than 6 minus, here also 7 2s is 14. This implies 35 less than 6 minus 14, which is a negative value. That is nothing but minus 8. Clearly this is false. Now we'll check choice D. The choice D also, on changing the symbols, will get this expression. 29 minus, on applying the BODMAS, will get 18 divided by 6, that will be 3, less than 36 divided by 6 will be 6 into 4. That implies 29 minus 3 is 26, less than 6 4s is 24. Clearly this is a false statement. Hence the true statement among the given choices is choice A. Given question says that if inverted V symbol denotes minus, V denotes plus, into denotes is equal to, divide by denotes into, slash denotes divide by, then which of the following is true? We need to find out the correct statement among the 4 given choices. Let us check with choice A. On changing the symbols according to the instructions given in the question, we obtain this expression. This equals 56 minus 5 will be 51 plus 40 is equal to 10 is equal to 100 divided by 10 will be 10. This implies 51 plus 40 is 91 is equal to 10 is equal to 10, which is a false statement. Now we'll check with choice B. On changing the mathematical symbols according to the instructions given in the question, we obtain this equation. This equals 56 plus 5 will be 61, 61 plus 40 will be 101. This equals 10 into 100 divided by 10. Since we are applying the BODMAS rule, first we need to perform the division. Therefore 100 divided by 10 will be 10. This implies 101 is equal to 10 into 10 is 100, which is a false statement. Now we'll check with choice C. Here also, according to the instructions, the given expression becomes like this. This equals 56 plus 6 will be 62 minus 40 is equal to 10 is equal to 100 divided by 10 will be 10. This implies 62 minus 40, it will be 22 is equal to 10 is equal to 10. Clearly this is a false statement. Next, choice D. On changing the symbols according to the instructions given in the question, we get this expression. This equals 56 minus 6 will be 50 plus 50. This equals 10 into 100 divided by 10 will be 10. This implies 100 is equal to 100. Clearly this is a true statement. Hence the correct statement is in choice D. In the question, it is given that if x denotes into, y denotes divide by, z denotes plus, u denotes minus, is equal to denotes is equal to, then which of the following is true? We need to find the true statement among the given choices. We'll check with first choice, that is choice A. This expression turns out to be 9, x means into, 8, y means divide by, 10, z means plus 4, u means minus 36 is equal to 4. This implies on applying the BODMAS rule we'll get 9 into 8 divided by 10. It will be 0.8 plus 4 minus 36 is equal to 4. Clearly, if we observe in the LHS, we'll get decimal value because 9 into 0.8 will be decimal, added to a whole number is again a decimal, again subtracted from a whole number is again a decimal number. Therefore, LHS is a decimal number, RHS is a whole number, which is a false statement. Now we'll check with choice B. This implies 2, y means divide by 3, z means plus 4, u means minus 10, into means, sorry, it is x means into 2 is equal to 2. This implies 2 divided by 3 plus 4 minus 10 into 2 is 20 is equal to 2. Here also in the LHS we'll get decimal value, RH is a whole number, which is a false statement. Now we'll check with choice C. This statement implies 20, z means plus 10, x means into 2, y means divided by 2, u means minus 20 is equal to 10. This implies 20 plus 10 into 2 divided by 2. On applying the BODMAS rule, 2 divided by 2 gives you 1 minus 20, that is equal to 10. That implies 20 plus 10 into 1 is 10 minus 20. This is equal to 10. This implies 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, it is a true statement. Now we'll check with choice D. This gives 10, u means minus 20, x means into 3, y means divided by 4, into z means plus 5 is equal to 10. This implies 10 minus 20 into 3 by 4 plus 4, 5 is equal to 10. Here also clearly we'll get LHS as a decimal value. Since 3 by 4 is 0.75, the LHS gives you decimal value and the RHS is a whole number. Therefore, it is a false statement. Hence, required choice is choice C, which is a true statement. In this question, different letters have been given with their meaning. A means addition, B means subtraction, C means multiplication, D denotes a division, E means is equal to, F means greater than, and G means less than. Then we need to find which of the following statement is true out of these 4 choices. Let us begin with the solution. Let us take choice C. Given expression is 15D5 A3E2 C3. This equals 15, D means division, and 5, A means addition, plus 3, E means is equal to 2, C means multiplication into symbol 3. This implies we need to apply here BODMAS. 15 divided by 5. This gives you 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Clearly it is 6 is equal to 6, which is a true statement. Hence, choice C follows. Before beginning this question, let us look at the information given for next 3 questions. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H represents some numerical values, some operations on numerical values. A means into 2, B means into 3, C means into 4, D into 5, E plus 2, F plus 3, G plus 4 and H plus 5. If we closely look at these operations, we have only 2, 3, 4, 5 got operated by either multiplication or addition. Now we'll apply these instructions to answer this question. The question is, select the right choice to replace the question mark in the following question. Let us begin with the solution. This is the equation given in the question. This implies, we'll apply the bottommost to simplify this equation. 15 plus, here first of all we have to do division, then multiplication. Division goes to 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. 3 4s is 12. Therefore here 12 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. Question mark is equal to 8 into 5, 1 operation, and 16 divided by 2, 1 operation. 8 into 5 is 40 plus 16 divided by 2 will be 8 minus 2. This implies 15 plus 12 minus 4 gives us 23. Question mark is equal to 40 plus 8 minus 2 gives us 46. Clearly 23 into 2 gives us 46. That into 2 means A. Therefore only A is the answer. Therefore only F is the answer. That is choice D. In this question, we need to select the right choice to replace the question marks in the following question. Let us begin with the solution. This is the equation given in the question. This implies, now we'll apply the bottommost rule to simplify this equation. Bottommost rule, first preference goes to 8 divided by 8, then 8 into 8. Therefore 8 divided by 8 will give you 1 and 8 into 8 will give you 64. 64 plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 3 cube is 27 plus 10 question mark. This implies 64 plus 1 is 65 minus 8 will be 57 is equal to 27 plus 10 question mark. This implies 10 question mark is equal to 57 minus 27. This implies 10 question mark is equal to 30. Clearly, from this equation, we can conclude to the point that 10 into 3 will give us 30. It is very clear from this equation. But into 3 we know it as, it is represented by B. Therefore, only B is the answer. Therefore, that is in, only B is in choice B. Therefore, choice B follows. In this question, we need to replace the question mark in the given equation by the correct choice. Let us begin with the solution. This is the given equation. This implies, we'll apply the bottommost rule. 12 divided by 2. Since division is there, we need to perform first. 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 6 into 3 is 18 plus 8 question mark is equal to 175. This implies 18 plus 8 is 26 plus 6 is 32 question mark is equal to 175. We know that 175 can be written as 35 into 5. But still 35 can be written as 32 plus 3. Therefore, this implies 32 plus 3 into 5 is equal to 175. Therefore, what we have done here, plus 3 we have operated first. Then we have operated into 5. plus 3 and into 5 is in F followed by D. Therefore, first we have performed F, then we have performed D. Therefore, choice A is the answer. In this question, we have to answer this statement by following some instructions, that is, star denotes not less than, binary operation into denotes not greater than, plus denotes less than, binary operation plus denotes greater than, minus denotes not equal to, binary operation minus denotes equal to. Then the given statement does not imply which of the given choices. Let us begin with the solution. Given statement is gamma, binary operation plus beta plus alpha. This is equal to, this implies gamma, binary operation plus means greater than, beta plus means less than alpha. This is the given in equation. Now we'll take choice B. We'll consider this statement, beta plus alpha, binary operation plus gamma. This implies beta plus means less than alpha, and binary operation plus means greater than gamma. Here, from the given inequation, beta less than alpha, it is true. Now, gamma is greater than beta, beta is less than alpha. Here, inequality symbols are different. Therefore, we cannot arrive a relationship between gamma and alpha. Here, alpha is greater than gamma, we are saying. Therefore, we are building the inequation in this statement. Therefore, this statement does not hold good. Therefore, choice B follows. Means choice A and C holds good from the given inequation. Hence, choice B is the answer. In this question, alpha means not equal to, beta means less than, gamma means greater than, sigma means equal to. Then choose the right option from the following. That is, given that A alpha, B alpha, C, then we need to choose the correct statement from the given choices, which implies from the given statement. Let us begin with the solution. A alpha, B alpha, C, that implies A alpha means not equal to, means A is not equal to B, not equal to C. This is the given statement. Next we'll check with the choice A beta, B beta, C. This implies A, beta means beta means less than, therefore A less than, B less than, C. We know that if it is not equal to means it can be less than or greater than, but this statement says that strictly it is less than, therefore it is false. We will check with B. A gamma, B gamma, C. This implies A, gamma means greater than, A greater than, B greater than, C. This is all the same thing. It is strictly saying that it is greater than, but we cannot say it is either greater than or less than. Therefore, choice B also false. We'll go for C. A sigma, B sigma, C. That implies A is equal to B is equal to C. Definitely this is contradicting the given statement. Therefore, answer is choice D. From the instructions given in the above question, we need to imply the given statement from the given choices. Let us begin with the solution. XY ZT sigma A square X. This implies XY ZT is equal to A square X. And YZ gamma XT implies YZ greater than XT. Next, Y square sigma XA. This implies Y square is equal to XA. Now, xz z square gamma ax will consider from choice A. That is this statement. This implies xz square greater than ax. Now, consider this inequation. Yz greater than xt. That implies y square z greater than yxt. That is multiplying both sides by y. This implies xaz greater than yxt. This still implies az means xs gets cancelled. Az greater than yt. This implies yt greater than az. Sorry, yt is less than az. Now consider this equation. A square x is equal to xyz t. That is equal to xz yt. But yt is less than az. Therefore, definitely this has to be less than xz az. That is less than x az square. That implies ax less than xz square. Means cancelling a on both the sides. This implies xz square greater than ax. Hence, we got the choice A is the answer. Therefore, choice A implies from the given statement. In each of the following choices, if the given interchanges are made in signs and numbers, which of the equations will be correct? Given interchange plus with divide by means wherever plus is there, we have to put divide by, and divide by we have to put plus. And interchange 2 and 3 numbers, that is vice versa, means 2 with 3 and 3 with 2. We need to check which of the following holds true. Therefore, let us begin with the solution. Let us check with the choice D, that is 3 divided by 4 plus 3 is equal to 2. From the instructions, we know that 3 to be interchanged with 2, and divide by should be replaced with plus. 4 should be replaced with 4 only, because nothing is said about 4, and plus 3, plus is interchanged by divide by, 3 is to be replaced by 2, and 2 is to be replaced by, therefore this is in the right hand side, we need to get this answer. Therefore, next, this implies 2 plus 4 is 6, divide by 2, that equals 3. Since 2 is interchanged by 3, we are getting 3. Hence, choice D follows.